Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know already, my name is Alicia, and if you have not hit the subscribe button, what are you doing? Make sure you subscribe. So my intro is going to be short and sweet. Today's video is going to be semi unboxing. First thing I want to show you guys is I had to get it. I didn't get the limited edition butter drop, but I got this. This is vanilla. Everybody knows vanilla makes yeah. People were saying they can't smell it. I definitely can smell vanilla. Like, it's not like I smell the vanilla as soon as I open the box, but I smell the vanilla. And I honestly can still smell it. I just did like a TikTok on it. Yeah, I can still smell the vanilla, but it's not in your face loud. But to my defense, I have, like, you know how people can smell stuff at all, like, you know how when you're pregnant you can smell everything? That never went away from me. Like, when I had my child, since I had my child, I always can have good senses. Like, I can smell stuff. Like, I got a couple of things from Amazon, and of course I have my Your Nail Lab box. It came really late. I saw on their Instagram that they posted something apologizing about it, but I got these French tips press-ons. If you guys don't know, that's my favorite style to do, French tips. I typically use the Kiss ones, but I'm gonna go ahead and use that. And it's some Beatles nail art. I'll probably insert pictures. Here's the Gel X nail kit. I used the tips to do this set. I did film that. I don't know if I want to call it like a holiday set or whatever, but these are these tips. And last but not least, I already looked at this box and I'm kind of sort of excited about my box this time. This is the Your Nails by Brandy box. Is it Nails by Brandy? Yeah, Nails by Brandy box, her collaboration. And I got acrylic this time. So this is the all-in-one acrylic and dip system in High Society. And this is the all-in-one Bite Me. I think I'm gonna start making like press-ons and do it, because like this is long to me, so I can't really do I don't really do long nails. But here's some loose glitter. So I think I'm gonna start doing like the Femi method. And this is it's called Shadow Sea nail polish. And okay, so these basically change colors. And this is the flat backs, some snowflakes, and a white gel liner. You can't go wrong with it. And this is extra long full cover ballerina tips. So I really like my box this time. Yeah, so if you guys want to see, I really want to do, well, I was considering this my Valentine's set. I'm really simple when it comes to my nails, but I love like nail art, so I think I'm gonna start doing nail art and making it as a press-on or something. That's what I think I'm gonna do, because this is Valentine's nails to me. But yeah, I'm going to put this stuff away, and I will talk to you guys later. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.